Hey, I want to sort a dictionary based on values. That's doable. Let's have a dictionary that contains subject name as key and values as the marks obtained. If we want to sort based on the marks and want to have the result as more marks at the top and least at the bottom. To do that, we can't call the items function on the dictionary. That will break down the key value in a tuple. Here the length of the dict is 5, so we have 5 tuples when we apply items on dictionary. If you look at the tuple, first element that is on index 0 we have the key and on index 1 we have value. When we pass this dictionary items inside sorted, the key to sort will be by default the first index that is the subject name in our use case. In order to change the key to sort on marks, we have to override the key to focus on marks that is the second index. The below line will do the magic, and now we have sorted the dictionary based on values. Here x will be the tuple and x of 1 will take the first index of tuple and lambda helps in iterate and apply to dictionary. For more shorts like this, stay notified and subscribe for more data. Thanks.